Hi everybody, I'm Alireza and welcome to AT channel. In this video we're gonna have a review on Windows 11. We are going to talk about the release date, price, interface and Microsoft Store, Android scenes and stuff like this. We are talking about new features, about gaming experience and system requirement and these things that you are needed for Windows 11. So watch this video till the end. Okay, um, if I wanna go directly about the interface, I should say that Windows 11 bring a new lick of paint to Microsoft's Windows OS, and actually there is a new brand look for desktop, a major UI redesigned, and the big changes to the core Microsoft OS actually happened. Actually, if I want to be honest with you, it's going to be like Mac things, but it's good actually, and you can see in the video. And this is the interface of the Microsoft Windows 11. Microsoft says the Windows 11 was built for gamers, and you all have the better environment for gaming. If I gonna say that the release date, I should say that these things and this Windows 11 arrived in October 5th 2021. The price of the Windows 11 for the past users of Windows 10 is free, and they get Windows 11 by a new upgrade. Microsoft did lots of limited for upgrading the V2 Windows 11, but last week they said that we put all the limited down, and all the persons that want to install Windows 11 are able to do it, but they said that you need to take the security, because they said in Windows we are not like the past, and without security we make our OS secure, more secure, like Mac OS. But they prefer to install this OS on high quality systems, and they said we need to install this OS on high quality systems to take the security back, but they let you to install this OS for your low quality system, and they said that the security on your own. Most of the changes are for user interface or UI. Actually it's about the front design. The next thing I want to mention is that Windows 11 actually redesigned the Microsoft Store, and a new version of Microsoft Store is available. With this interface, broader selection of apps, this new store will have an easier to use, better crucial and digital storefront, and it will be also faster and very useful than Windows 10 store. As Microsoft said, we will build for a speed. This Windows 11 is going to have a better experience for a speed. And the other thing I should mention about Microsoft Store is Android apps that you can install on your Windows. As Microsoft says, you can't install Android app on your Windows in the first release, but they said that you are going to install Android apps in the future. They mentioned that you can install it in the next update, and the ways that you can install Android apps on your computer is Amazon Store and Microsoft Store. So as I mentioned in the first, Microsoft released this Windows 11 for gaming. Microsoft making a bold claim with Windows 11 that it will be the best Windows ever for PC gaming. Since we have been using Windows for gaming on PCs, I suppose that it's a sign of that Microsoft is taking games seriously. It claims that Windows 11 will be the fastest option for gamers, with two technology being exclusive to the latest OS, Auto HDR and direct storage. Auto HDR has been shown off in the insider previous build of Windows 10 for a few months now, And previous to that, it's a technology that Microsoft has used on the Xbox Series X and S. It doesn't work with every game. Also, Microsoft says that any Direct 11 game should benefit from it. The next thing is that the decision is a direct storage. The decision to make direct storage a Windows 11 exclusive was a bit controversial, and this is a technology that was long been expected to make the most of NVMe SSDs that many of us have in our machines. Thankfully, it looks like that suggestion was in error, as a recent DirectX developer preview will bring the new feature to modern Windows 10 builds too. It's really been revealed that you won't need to have very fast PCIe 4 SSD to gain the benefit of direct storage, as it is worked with PCIe 3 SSD, but we'll have to see how this all pans out. Okay guys, if you like this video, I will really appreciate for your like and subscription, and don't forget to leave a comment below and make us better and improve us. And if you don't like it, tell us why, and if you like it, tell us why again, and it will help us to improve ourselves and enjoy making video. Bye bye.